everyone, good afternoon from Toronto. So right now we are here at the Roncesvalles Avenue and Marion Street, and I'm here with Amazon, which is beside me.
Hi everyone. So we're just do a quick little walk from Roncesvalles to. There's a nice spot there for a view, but I'm not sure how to go there. But we'll just figure out. It should give you a good skyline view of Mimico. So I think there's kind of like a boardwalk or something, which I saw from the streetcar. But we're going to go and check it out. And then this is a nice little street right in front of the St. Joseph Hospital, and then we'll see how the view looks, and I think you can see the downtown view too, but we'll go and check it out.
Yeah, and I can see that we are passing the, what is that called, the Roncesvalles
streetcar
car house,
the streetcar depot. Yeah, so I have so I have walking lady with me, and we're just walking together, and we have lots of actually videos walking together from the Philippines, which still we are posting. And today in Toronto, it's weather is not bad. It's not too hot or not too cool. It's like it's on the in the mid side. I think it's 18 degrees Celsius right now. So you can see that there's a streetcar turning right there, so they're coming out of the depot. And actually this place right up ahead is where King Street and Queen Street meet, and this is a very famous old area,
and very confusing.
It's kind of very confusing also, like lots of streetcar streets, they're meeting together, and you can see a glimpse of the lake right up ahead. So what we noticed that there's a very old Howard Johnson hotel right coming up on the right, and I think this hotel survived many years, because I remember seeing this hotel 20 years ago or something, and I was shocked to see that this hotel is still here, which is right, you're gonna see it within a second. Howard Johnson, very old hotel.
Yeah, so that's the Howard Johnson
Hotel, and then there are a few restaurants here, but looks like the area has gone through some good change. And then here is actually the streetcar center or depot. That's where they fix, repair, take a break, or they just keep them in street for the parking. So it's like a streetcar's resting area. And then here you can see that the 504 streetcar just started, and then there's also the Queen Street. What is it? 501?
501. Yeah, this
okay, so
this is 504.
This is another 504. They're one after another.
So it's going to along King.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And
so
then 501 goes to along
Queen,
yeah.
which is right here. This street is Queen Street. So, and this is right here where King and Queen meet in Roncesvalles area, and you can see that this area is confusing. Okay, so I think that's what we were referring to.
Yeah, we have to go there.
You can take that
that
walk to our bridge to go to the water, and you can see that there's actually a 501 right there. They are kind of coming out of the streetcar depot as well.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure.
We can cross here.
Okay, yeah, you have to wait for the walk sign. And then you can see that this side of view. So this is coming from the downtown side. So this is kind of a confusing intersection here, because so many spaces are meeting. And if you look on up, you can see that it's like cobweb. All the wires for the streetcar and everything, they look really confusing. So we're just waiting for the walk sign, and then you have to figure out actually how you go to that bridge. I'm not sure. I don't see any. Oh, actually, look, the entrance is right there. I think I found it.
So I said, we have to go
Oh,
here.
you saw it before? Okay.
Not really. I just saw people that going this way.
Okay, so I think we found a way to go to the other side.
Yes.
And this way. And they're fixing the area right here. So they're making it look nicer. And you can see the streetcar depot right there. And then I think behind that's the St. Joseph Hospital. And you can see that, you know, all those streetcars are coming, and this is a busy intersection. And this is the bridge. I don't know how far it goes, but it should have a very nice view. So I think you can see a highway from here. You're going to be on top of the highway, so that's a nice view also.
And the railway.
And the railway, if you are lucky, you can actually see, like, you know, GO train via rail.
So that is the Mimico, right?
Yeah, that's the Mimico skyline right there.
You can see it from here. Also that bridge, what is that called? The Humber Bridge.
And the Humber Park Bridge. And then also you can see the, like, you know, flower bed kind of advertisements here. And then also you can see like there. So I hope that there's a train coming, but I don't see anything coming. So here is a view of the highway. So windy, yeah. So let's go and to the other side of the bridge. Okay, I think we are not lucky to get a train.
Yeah, that's how it is, you know. When you're waiting for something, it doesn't come.
Yeah, but you can see the view.
Yeah,
So we have
very nice
Lake Ontario in front of us, and I think we are going to the close to the water once we pass the bridge. And the highway view again. So it looks like the wind picked up. It's a bit windy. So if you want to go on the other side, here is the, you know, you have to get down here. Yeah, but we are just going to go straight.
Okay. So we will not go to this run. We will go straight.
I don't know if this is the Maryland Bell Park. I'm not sure, but you know, there should be a name somewhere. So there's the bike trail. So when you cross the street, you have to be careful. You can see the CN Tower sneaking out right there, and we'll just cross here.
Okay, are we going straight or?
We can go this way.
Okay.
It's the same thing. So just wait for the bike. Oh, there's a parrot there. Look, there's a parrot on her shoulder.
Where's the car over?
Oh, that lady. You just passed.
Oh.
Yeah, so there's a huge parrot right there.
It's a good pet.
Yeah, good pet. Oh, this is a beautiful park. I cannot believe this. I don't think we came here before.
I did a walk here before.
You
just
came here
once,
before, okay.
yeah.
But we didn't, like, you know, ever sat here and relax. And I'm just trying to find out what park is this. What is this called? It could be part of Maryland Bell Park, but I'm not sure. But you can see that, you know, it's a nice little area.
There's a marina there.
Oh, actually you can
That's
see
marina,
the
right?
part of the marina, yes. So maybe we can just come a little close. Whoa, this is really beautiful view. Very nice view. And then there's the Mimico skyline up ahead. So we can just walk up to there and we'll see what we can see. So I think this is the beginning of the boardwalk from here. It's a very nice little park.
You have to take advantage of the good weather for
Yeah.
like 2 weeks, and then after that
Yeah, that's true.
it's going to be cold, you know.
Winter is knocking at the door.
Yeah, winter
So-
is coming soon.
Yep, so you cannot have this type of weather very soon. So very nice area here, and we're going to see a full skyline of Mimico shortly. And then you can see that a lot of people are in the park. They are resting, enjoying the tourist Saturday? Oh, Saturday, okay. Somehow I was
Today is
thinking,
Saturday.
oh, there's a nice little beach here.
September 23.
September 23, okay. So here you can see the
Yeah, very nice view.
nice view of Mimico skyline, and then here's a nice little beach, and then you can see that, you know, actually there's, like, you know, warnings and stuff. Probably people swim here too, but I don't see anyone swimming right now.
There's kayaking.
Some people are kayaking there. And then you can see, so nice view of the Mimico skyline, and the other side of the park. So we cannot see the downtown skyline from here. I think it's hidden for those behind those boats and the area. Yes, it's like right there, the downtown skyline, which is kind of hidden. And you can see that some people are actually, they're taking pictures, relaxing. So really nice Saturday afternoon, very good place to relax in the heart of downtown Toronto. So, you know, we're going to end the video here for today, but for the next video there's going to be a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. And this is Ahmed Don and Walking Lady from downtown Toronto.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.